Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. iPhone 15 series has been launched and becoming quite popular, especially the Pro models. If you have decided to get it, the second most important thing is which color to choose from, as it comes in variety of colors. The new this year is natural titanium, which is a unique and stunning color. In this video, I will show you all the color options for 15 Pro series and find out which one is the best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Starting with the natural titanium, this is probably the color of this year and the most popular color for majority of people. And I must say it's worth it. It's definitely a new color and looks stunning and premium. With new slightly round edges and titanium on the side, it shouts premium and solid. I'm sure this will be priced higher in local retail market than any other color like last year's purple color. Now let's talk about the new blue titanium color. This is also a new color because it's almost like black color from a distance. It's a dark navy color but looks great. And I'm sure it's going to be the second most popular color this time. Matte round finish complements this unique color and has a robust feel to it. Black titanium is similar to last year's 14 Pro Max black color, but it shocked me when I saw so many scratches on the side and on the back side. It was the first official day of release and I can understand it's on display, but still, this one is prone to scratches and scuffs very easily. Apple might be claiming about titanium finish and great build quality, but trust me, if you don't use a case, it will be all scratched within a week's time. The sides looks even more prone to scratches than the back side. White titanium is like a fresh color and silver color on the sides complements it. It looks fresh and definitely premium. It also looks more solid as it will get less scratches compared to the black color. This year's iPhone feels more lighter and also slightly more compact compared to the last year's 14 Pro Max model. The silent button has been redesigned as a click customizable button which can be used for multiple applications. Even from the front side, it looks more sleek with narrow bezels compared to the last year's iPhone. Well, that's it for this color comparison. Do let me know in the comments below which color you like the most and which one is your favorite. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings.